Hello again guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, I am Isay and welcome to my travel vlog. And we are here today at Montreal and exploring the Montmorency Falls. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell to keep you updated of my recent travel vlogs. And I upload my travel vlogs every Tuesdays and makeup tutorials every Thursdays. So if you like my content, click that button and I'll see you around. So for today's vlog, we are here exploring Montmorency Falls here at Quebec City. The falls is located on the boundary between the borough of Beauport and Bois-Châtel, about 12 kilometers from the heart of Old Quebec City. The area surrounding the falls is protected within the Montmorency Falls Park. The falls are at the mouth of the Montmorency River, where it drops over the cliff shore into the St. Lawrence River, opposite the western end of the Ile d'Orleans. The waterfalls are 83 m or 272 tall, a full 30 meters or 99-inch higher than the Niagara Falls. Are staircases that allow visitors to view the falls from several different perspectives. A suspension bridge over the crest of the falls provides access to both sides of the park. There is also a funicle that carries passengers between the base and the top of the falls. In the summer, park hosts an international firework competition with the falls as a backdrop. During summer months, the falls give off a yellow glow due to high iron content in the waterbed. There's no entrance fee to the park, but you do have to pay for parking, and that costs $12. However, you can try and find parking on the surrounding streets. Just watch out for the no parking signs. Or you do like the locals in summer and bike up to the falls, for which you won't have to pay for parking. The distance between Quebec and the Montmorency Falls is 10 kilometers. The road distance is 13.1 kilometers. How do I travel from Quebec to Montmorency Falls without a car? The best way to get from Quebec to Montmorency Falls without a car is to Line 800 bus, which takes you 22 minutes and costs only $4. Clinging to the flank of the cliff, this impressive staircase features no fewer than 487 steps. The best time to visit Montmorency Falls: on clear months, you can experience the breathtaking panoramic views from the cable car ride or hike on all the trails to the top. The cable car is closed most of the winter days, and being one of the best experiences in the park, it is something you don't want to miss. Sitting about 9 miles northeast of Old Quebec along the St. Louis River, Montmorency Falls Parks attract nature lovers and sightseers alike with its 272-foot waterfall. In case you can't imagine that, Montmorency Falls is 1.5 times taller than Niagara Falls. Although warmer summertime temperatures makes a Montmorency visit much more comfortable, many travelers recommend stopping by in the winter to take in the natural beauty without the crowds. There are a variety of activities at the park, including hiking trails, 3 playgrounds, 2 bike paths, and a double zip line. From the top of the cliff, the zip line allows 2 people to simultaneously cross the cove of the falls, nearly 1,000 feet, to the La Baronne viewpoint. In the winter, snowshoeing and ice climbing are popular activities here. You can visit the falls year-round free of charge, like climbing the staircase from the visitor center. But many travelers warn that the stairs can be tough to navigate during the winter and that sometimes the stairs are closed due to ice. A cable car can take you to the top, but you'll pay roughly $12 or about $950 for an adult round-trip ticket. Zipline rides cost $26 for adults and 19.50 Canadian dollars for children. You can access the park by bus from the Old City, route number 800, or you can drive, but be prepared for parking fees. today exploring the Montmorency Falls. It was fun and tiring day, but the beauty of Montmorency Falls is just so awesome. And we took a lot of pictures for memories. So I think this is all for today for our video. I hope you like this content, and if you do, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell to keep you updated on my latest vlogs. And I hope you enjoyed, and see you around. Thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you so much for watching. Take care and keep safe.